का समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण, आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहत कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati here and I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe with your respective houses. The month of May is here. The month of May has begun and you are probably wondering, will it do any good to you? Will it do any good to us? Considering the situation that all of us are currently in, questions like these have become the need of the hour. So, to keep you updated about what's really going on in the world of astrology during the month of May, I'm here with this special video today. So as I have said, this is going to be a special video as I will be talking about 3 planets which are going retrograde within the span of 3 days from 11th of May until the 14th of May. This is a very strange interplanetary phenomenon happening in the celestial sphere and likely to bring some noteworthy changes. Although these planets will turn retrograde, they will not change positions, yet the transitory motion will take place later. So let us now find out which planets are they, which are the planets that will be moving in a retrograde motion. So during this month, Saturn or Shani will retrograde in its own sign of Capricorn on the 11th of May at 9:27 am in the morning. It will remain in retrograde motion until the 29th of September at 10:30 am and continue moving in retrograde for the next 141 days. Venus will be the second planet this month that will go into its retrograde motion in this own sign of Taurus on the 13th of May at 12:12 pm in the noon. It will remain in retrograde motion until the 25th of June 2020. This Venus retrograde will continue for a period of 44 days. The next and the last planet to retrograde is Jupiter or Guru Brihaspati, which will be transiting in the sign of Capricorn at that time. Jupiter will enter into the retrograde motion on the 14th of May at 7:58 pm in the evening. This Jupiter retrograde will continue for 47 days before it moves back into its own sign Sagittarius on the 30th of June at 5:25 am in the morning. So I have given you details about all the planets that will be retrograding during the month of May, and very shortly I will be giving away the predictions because of which the retrograde planets will be bringing changes to your lives. So I have given you the names and details and also the timings of the planets which will be in a retrograde motion during the month of May. I will quickly move on to the predictions for all the zodiac signs with regards to the celestial movements. But before that, I will just talk a little bit about the general impact of planets in retrograde. So Saturn will retrograde in its own sign of Capricorn. The zodiac sign Capricorn stands for discipline, authority, responsibility, determination, and delegation. As Capricorn sign also stands for traditionalism, the retrograde Saturn here indicates that we may have to move ahead of time by breaking traditions and boundaries that we may have set for ourselves. Try not to be rigid in this time duration and take responsibility for all your actions. Venus will retrograde in its own sign of Taurus. Taurus is the second sign of the zodiac belt or the Kalpurush Kundli as we name it in Vedic astrology. The sign signifies the resources, accumulated savings, material possessions, food taste, and most importantly, family. So it indicates that this is the right time to assess what we already have and love before coming to a decision about anything with regards to our family. As Venus also represents love, beauty, romance, this period is favorable for introspection and reflecting on learning from our previous experiences. Also, now is the time to think about what new can be done in order to bring harmony and balance in relationships. The Jupiter retrograde will take place in the sign of Capricorn. This is also the sign in which Jupiter remains in its debilitated state. As the planet represents wisdom and knowledge, it is the right time to take a step back and see what we have learned and gained while it was in its direct motion. In this duration, we may not be very optimistic about things. Execution of plans will be slow or it may get stalled. So, the main thing to do in this transit duration is to slow down and look inside for answers rather than looking for them outside. This will help open your mind and make you listen to your own voice, your inner voice, thus bringing better results during this duration. So I will finally move on to the sign-wise zodiac sign predictions. I will begin with Aries, the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So the transits is going to affect the 2nd and 10th house for Aries zodiac sign. This indicates that keeping a check on your speech is necessary in this duration, otherwise it will create problems in your family life. Utilize your resources or savings optimally to keep your expenses under control. Now is not a very good time to make extravagant spendings. Also, during this transit duration, you may have to do things repeatedly in order to achieve results at your workplace. Do not lose your heart and be consistent in your approach. Next, we move on to Taurus, the second sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Taurus natives may feel a lack of confidence and face problems while making decisions that may lead to struggles at workplace. Some problems may also reappear on the health front, since this transit is affecting the first house of self and personality directly. There will be a recurrent obstacle in the execution of your plans, as luck may not seem to be on your side exactly, because this transit affects your 9th house of fortune and luck. This indicates that this is the right time to take things slowly and revise your skill set once again. This will help you to set a solid foundation for your future. This is also a very good time period to reflect what kind of relationships you share with your idol, mentor and teachers, which in turn will help you to establish a very good rapport with them. Next in line is Gemini, the third sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So this duration may make Gemini natives a little anxious and insecure about the future, as they may face some recurrent challenges or obstacles in their workplace. This is also going to bring some negative effects on their personal life and health. So this time frame requires you to be slow and concentrate on improving on the task that is on your hand rather than undertaking new things. However, proper planning and documentation will be necessary to avoid delays in your tasks. This duration may also require you to keep a check on your expenditures, as they are likely to increase. Moving on, let us now talk about Cancer natives. So Cancer natives may find some problems and also ups and downs in their personal relationships during this time duration. Those who adhere to partnership in business may face some differences of opinion with their respective business partners. So, this period requires you to be patient, optimistic in your approach, and also requires you to introspect your behavior and your partnership very carefully. This may help you to bring harmony in relationships, though professionals of this sign may once again come across an exceptional opportunity that they might have missed out in the past. It also indicates that a meeting with an old friend might create new grounds for income that you may not have expected before. Moving on, next in line is Leo natives. So health issues especially related to the stomach may crop up during this duration. While the planets are in their retrograde motion, your loans and liabilities may increase and your creditors may again bother you in this period. You may also face some challenges from the senior management, and your enemies might also trouble you, which may result in the stagnation of your growth professionally. However, this time period is here to test your devotion towards your work. Therefore, accomplish your tasks with great dedication and devotion. Now we have reached the sixth sign of the zodiac circle, which is Virgo. So Virgo natives might face some issues when it comes to implementing ideas, which may have result in decreased efficiency and productivity at their workplace. So this indicates that they need to take another look at the way things were structured right now and bring necessary changes for an improved performance. Though it will be a very good transit and help you resolve any kind of problems or rifts that may have appeared in the relationships. Some of the natives may also witness a comeback of their ex-lover in their lives. In terms of daily and family life, differences with father are also likely to dissolve and you may start to share a great rapport with him. However, undertaking any sort of journey should be avoided during this period of time, considering the fact that we are amidst the outbreak of a very disastrous pandemic. You may also be inclined towards reading religious scriptures that will help you to resurrect your faith. Next, we'll be talking about Libra natives. So for Libra natives, Renovating or redecorating your house may take up most of your time in this period. However, take care of the expenditure that you will incur while redecorating your house, as this may cross the budget you had initially set. Some issues regarding the health of your mother may also resurface once again. However, this is the right time that should be used wisely to support your loved ones. Also, the retrogression of planets may also give you some doubt in your abilities despite having a very good potential and skill set. This may result in negative thinking and spike the tendency to quit things easily. But this is the right time to introspect and connect with yourself that may help you to discover the hidden potentials within yourself. Next, we'll be talking about Scorpio natives. So this is the right time for Scorpios to spend some quality time with their siblings and clear the rift that may have arisen in the past. In the workplace, they may face some communication problems or may not be able to communicate the message clearly to their support staff. This may lead in decreased efficiency and productivity in their personal space. This transit also indicates not to take on the work or make promises that you cannot deliver during this time, as non-fulfillment of promises may lead you to your image being tarnished. However, this is a very good time duration that will help you clear your air in your relationships. The only thing that you need to do is to take responsibility in relationships rather than leaving it all on your partner. Moving on, we'll talk about Sagittarius natives. So Sagittarius natives may face some constraints or hurdles in their finances which may force them to shift their energies into saving more. So this is an auspicious time period if you want to open a bank account or invest in some venture for the long term that may secure in your family's future. Though it is a very favorable time to clear the air with your subordinates, which may bring in an improved performance at your workplace. However, some issues with health may resurface now. Basically, it is indicating that you may have to change your lifestyle currently. So, following any daily routine that includes exercise, meditation, or yoga will be of great help to you. If you talk about Capricorn natives, then this period may make you a little gloomy and pessimistic in your approach, and you may also turn out to be lazy and you may even doubt your own abilities. Consequently, it may have a negative impact on all aspects of your life, as you may shy away from responsibilities and your dependency on luck and miracles will increase. This is the time for introspection when you should rely more on yourself and your efforts rather than fate. However, this duration will be very auspicious to spend quality time with children, as that may help you connect with yourself, which may result in your enhanced creativity. This time duration will help you to address all the problems in your relationships and enable you to feel happy and joyful. But professionally, it is a very auspicious time to execute your plans, as they will add to your productivity. We have reached the second last sign of the zodiac circle, which is Aquarius. So this duration is likely to bring a decline in health and an increase in expenses. However, you can curb your expenditures by taking care of yourself and remaining fit. Although you should avoid traveling at this period of time. However, if it is unavoidable, then ensure that you are carrying all the necessary paperwork and you are sanitized properly, you are wearing your mask and maintaining all the necessary protocols which the government has laid down at this period of time. During this period, certain health issues can resurface for your mother. However, if you are thinking of dealing in real estate, then the time seems favorable. Last but not the least, we'll talk about Pisces natives. So this time seems favorable for writers and publishers of the zodiac sign, as they can use this period to edit their unsent work. You may rectify your mistakes, which will help you get proposals this time. However, this period may make you over-desirous, so keep a check on yourself, as often they remain unfulfilled and in the end, one is left with emptiness and nothing else. During this time, you will finally meet up with your old friends and acquaintances after a long time, although it is quite a possibility that these meetings will take place virtually. So this was all you need to know about the retrograde planets during the month of May and how they will impact your life. We hope that this video will turn out to be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.